sanguinis. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Danny Z video. As you read in the title, today we're going to be attempting to break the 0 to 60 record, not just on Brittany, my 370Z, but also on a 2019 STi. So you bros already know this video is about to be sick. And just the guy we're waiting for. Woo. What's good? So we get over there, we're really going to tell you what that car has and what my car has. And everything we're supposed to get, so let's go ahead and head over there right now. I have not turned on my car today, so it's your day, bros. It's your day. Sounds sick. I love how the Subaru sound now. I don't know why. Like, there's something about the box noise. It's so.
Y'all just see my exhaust setup. I changed it up because my old one had like it started rattling, so I just ended up taking the whole exhaust off, and now I just got a straight pipe from the cat back, but it's a single exit. It looks hilarious.
I'm now in love with how Subaru sound.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys what we've done to our car, so because they're not fully, at least mine is stock, but he's done a lot of things to it.
And this is like the beginning, dude.
You're
gonna love when I'm done with this thing, dude. 400 wheel at least.
Dang, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell us what you've done to your 2019. I know in the previous video for 2018, but it's a 2019 Subaru WRX STi, as you guys can see. Alright.
So far, all I have done right now is Cobb Stage 1 Plus, which is Cobb's short intake. I don't know. They're cold air intake. And then I also added a forged recirculating valve. Further on, you need a better recirculating valve to hold more boost. But right now, I mean, I didn't necessarily need it, but it sounds a lot cooler. So, and I'm gonna need to buy it eventually anyway, so might as well buy it now. That's pretty much it for now. I got some acid green or.
Oh, the trim right here?
Yeah.
That looks sick, guys.
Some people call it yellow, but I don't know, like, it looks acid green. And
yeah, because the trim goes with the calipers, if you guys didn't notice.
I got some on the mirrors too.
And the mirrors. Do you have any in the back?
Yeah, I got the logo on the back in acid green too.
Ooh, that's sick. You want to talk about the exhaust?
Yeah. So here we got the $60.
Look at this exhaust.
The $60 exhaust shop Rice special.
All right, let's hear it. $60 for this little catback. So what exhaust did you have before this? Because you did have an actual like full exhaust, right?
I had a Magnaflow, just a Magnaflow axle back, so it bolts up to the stock where the mufflers would be. Yeah. So I had to have that. Yeah. It's kind of like the Z. Yeah. But and then something knocked loose and it started rattling like crazy and it did not sound good. So I just yanked the whole cat back off. Luckily, my friend got a full cat back on his WRX. So I could just use his stock system, and I just chopped up his stock system. So that's where it's at right now.
Hey, at least I'm not the only one.
Yeah, you're not.
Because look at mine are small though, because of the bumper. So do you want to tell us what the 0 to 60 that you want to beat today is?
Well, stock supposedly is 4.5.
4.5
It's
about the same.
Yeah,
I've about the same as the Z. So on Brittany, as you guys probably know, I have a lot of horsepower under, actually. I'm just kidding. It's completely stock. I just got K&N dropping filters, which don't really count. Then I got test pipes, and I have the axle back from AAM. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna see what we can do with that. Oh, I am running 305s though, so it's gonna grip really good.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's probably gonna help with the 0 to 60, but we'll see. And the 0 to 60 to beat for the 370Z is, I believe it's either a 4.5 or a 4.7. Last time I got a 5.2, so we'll see what we can do. All right, so we don't really know who's gonna go first for a 0 to 60, so this is how we're gonna figure it out.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Looks like the Sui's going first. All right, 4.5 0 to 60. You think we can do it?
Hopefully.
We'll see. I forgot to introduce you guys, but you probably already know him. This is Sebastian. Go ahead and check out his YouTube. Link will be in the description. Go ahead and subscribe to him, guys. He has his awesome STI, and his dad has an insane Z06. Video coming soon. On
the side, the Z is not on.
Honestly, I want a Z, but Subarus are awesome, guys. Deep down, I have a really big feeling for Subarus. You guys can see right there, it says he already has like a built-in 0 to 60 time, so I'm not gonna be using my phone, so you're just gonna tell us after.
Yeah, it'll show up
if you hit it or not.
We'll show you guys.
All right.
So,
that's exciting.
Disclaimer, guys. Well, obviously 2 people, it's not gonna be like the fastest.
True, there's more weight in the car.
So,
that's true.
But we'll see what I could do. I could still launch with 2 people. I tried doing it with like 3 people. Dude, it's like, it did not like it. Off, Sport Sharp. You can see here if you click 0 to 60.
Oh, I see that. Package.
There's the boost. Alright, to begin, performance results calculations. Obey traffic laws and do not put others at risk. That's what it says. Oh, God.
That launch is hard.
That was that was bad. That was 5.8.
5.4?
5.8.
5.8? Dude, that felt so much faster than 5.8.
I bogged hard. So yeah, I'll see how this one goes. I don't know. That's never made that noise though. That's sketch. I'll do another shakedown.
That was.
That doesn't sound good. Oh no, what did they break?
No, that was a pop. That was a pop.
Oh, something flew off. Something flew off.
Wait, what?
Oh no. Okay, well, we'll have to check.
Wait, what? Something flew off?
Subaru life, guys. Stuff breaks so easy.
But for the first 0 to 60, he got a 5.8. Dude, that felt so much faster than 5.8.
Yeah, once it hooks up.
Wow, that launch is hard.
Okay, it feels normal.
Oh, maybe this?
This is another kelp. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that's something broken, dude.
Really?
Oh, it says Subaru. Yeah, you know that's from my car. It says Subaru.
It's still hot.
Oh no.
What is that? Ripping the shot.
Straight up snapped. I don't think it's a pitch stop mount, because that's no bueno if that's a pitch stop. Alright guys, well, we broke something. Obviously, this is definitely from my car because it says Subaru right on it, so... I mean, we'll have to figure out what I broke. I'll text Danny later and
yeah, make sure you let me know what happened.
It shouldn't be too expensive because what broke is plastic.
Yeah, so that's a good thing.
Be awful.
If it was metal, then
if it was metal, that's no bueno.
That's not good.
I guess well go on to Danny's car now and see.
Yep. Now it's my turn to try to break the record.
Yeah, we'll see what Danny's car can do.
Imagine I break something. Alright guys, so that really did not go as expected. That sucks that something broke off. It shouldn't be something that important though, because we looked at it, it was like plastic, so we'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. This is my Uber?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. 0 to 60 to be in my car is about 4, like I said, 4.5 to 4.7. Last time I got a 5.2, so if I get better than a 5.2, I'm gonna be happy, honestly. So, go ahead and do that. Alright, so we gotta do like a competition to see whose wing is bigger, dude.
It's got yours is wider, mine is taller.
I know. I also do want to say that he's timing it on his phone, but I'm also going to time it during the video.
Yeah. Just
to make sure that we get the right one. But hey, 4.3. I really want to beat 5.2. Dang, dude. Ripperino. Yeah, I don't wanna break my car.
Yeah.
I don't wanna.
He doesn't want to end up like me, guys.
My excuse for not getting a good 0 to 60, one, last time I did it, guys, I had different bumper, different wheels. I did not have the huge 100-pound wing on the back. And I didn't have, obviously, Sebastian riding next to me. Best time that I got was 5.4 seconds. Last time I got 5.2. So I definitely think if I was by myself in the car, I would have gone like a, I don't know, what do you guys think? At least a 5.2. Here it is. If you guys want to see this car more on the channel, let me know in the comments below. If we could like hit up some meets or something like that. So we're here sitting down. What do you think we should do right now?
Rev battle.
Rev battle it is. 370 STi, comment below. Sebastian 1 for idle, me 0. We'll go with the Tide.
Yeah.
They sound like loud-wise. I think they're like actually really. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Let me know.
Put a poll in the video.
Oh, I should put a poll. Yes, poll right here. Vote. You know, last video we made together, I think one of the top comments was like, dislike the video. There wasn't a race. Yeah.
Here's a little taste.
So here's a little taste. We're not really gonna full-on race. We're not trying to get in trouble. So here you go, bros. Here you go. It'll be a really close race.
You want to just do one more?
Alright. No, the camera fell. So I don't know if you guys saw the end of the second race. Basically, as soon as I hit third, then my camera flew, and he also just flew past, right past by me. So
He didn't blow a ringland, but
it's okay. It's okay, Brittany. Hey, dude, once I get tuned,
man, she's got the part.
Yeah, once she's tuned.
Yeah, you take me for sure.
Once she's tuned and I get my full Tommy exhaust and the intakes.
Rematch. I'll probably still be on the same power level. I'll be getting like, you know, like the transmission mounts and stuff. So I'll be at the same power level.
Tuned with everything that I won will probably be like 320 to the wheel.
Yeah, so you should easily.
Maybe, we'll see. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this action-packed video and you want to see Sebastian more on this channel with the STi. So we raced 0 to 60 with the rev battle. We broke some parts. Hopefully she's good though. Hopefully she's good. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe down below, put notifications on to know when I upload. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Sebastian. Please subscribe to him. Go and show him some love. And thank you to him for making the video with us. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.